Vittorio from Eibach. We're here at the HRE Open House in San Diego, California, and we brought two cool vehicles on display. First, we brought our 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee with our Stage 1 lift system. This is still on a prototype kit, so we'll have our lift heights and product available soon. And we also brought a 2023 Lexus IS500. This special edition Pro Kit lowers the vehicle 1.7 inches up front and 1.3 inches to the rear. Aside from those kits, we also just released our special edition Pro Kits for the 2020 to 2022 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. This kit lowers your vehicle by 1 inch up front and ½ inch to the rear. Get those now on Eibach.com or your favorite Eibach dealer. For R&D, we brought a 2024 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. This is for our Pro Lift Kit development. It will replace the factory OEM springs and reuse the factory Fox shocks on this vehicle. Be on the lookout for more information. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.